Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 C43 AMG. This one is a cell night gray metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo with 362 horsepower and 384 pounds of torque, paired with an AMG enhanced 9G Tronic transmission. This one has 19-inch AMG multi-spokes with black accents, advanced lighting package with active LED headlamps, adaptive high beam assist, ambient lighting, AMG illuminated door sills. Also included is the night package with black accents on the front, side, and rear. A Designo saddle brown leather package with saddle brown Napa leather, side bolsters and restraints in Napa leather with beige top stitching, panorama sunroof, come around back, spoiler, AMG C43 badging, power liftgate, clean set of AMG floor mats, fold down rear seats, blind spot assist, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, heated and cooled seats, memory seats, a dark brown linden wood trim, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, multimedia package with voice command, 8.4-inch high-resolution color screen, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, manual selections, electronic suspension, traction control, our exhaust button, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. The C43 has 21,363 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C43 AMG, visit us at feldmannimports.com.